I'm Jay, and we're here at Pangyo Techno Valley for a very special interview with the CEO and founder of EKLEER, Matthew Chung. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi Jay, how are you?
Good, how are you doing today?
I'm very fine. Very nice meeting you.
Pleasure to meet you as well. Matthew, tell me a little bit about your company and yourself. You have a really interesting background.
Okay, so our company EKLEER has been established for almost 4 years. And then we established back in 1991 January.
Okay.
So very close to 4 years, the company, still we are the startup company. Our product is something different, very unique product. We have advanced mirroring technology, mainly using for the smartphone and turning to be the mirroring for the big screen.
Okay.
This is our product.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've been around for 4 years, starting around 2021 in January.
That's correct.
Okay, and you have a monitor that is mirroring a smartphone. I mean, I know about mirroring technology.
Yeah.
I use it to watch Netflix on my smart TV sometimes, but obviously this is a different product.
Yeah, it's could be a very interesting product. How and why I starting this product?
Yeah.
I've been working for last 30 years from the global company to startup. It's mainly in charge of the business development for the international. My last assignment is working at the Foxconn Technology Group.
Okay.
It's in charge of the brand monitor business unit.
Okay.
So you know the Foxconn is one of the largest OEM, ODM company. I've been in charge for the Sharp brand and other brands.
Oh, okay, okay.
So, and the Foxconn, when I worked for the Foxconn produced about 17 million monitor per year.
Okay.
The total monitor market in general about 130 million unit.
Okay.
But a lot of people think, oh, monitor is very tough business.
Okay.
Right? So
sure.
Yeah, but
there's a lot of them.
So at the time I working hard with our team. Where is a new market opportunity, and then we look into the other product. Because the monitor is, we call other words, the peripheral.
Okay,
right?
peripheral,
The peripheral is connecting to something else, right?
Right.
So, and we look into the opportunity for smartphone, and the smartphone producing about 1.3 billion unit, averaging about 10 times of a monitor.
So a much bigger market.
Yeah. So we are using the smartphone every single day, and most depend on our daily life. But smartphone performance is quite decent.
Yeah.
But the smartphone has two limitations. One is a small screen, right?
Yes.
Less than the 6-inch smaller screen.
Yes.
And also, when the Apple announced the iPhone, Steve Jobs say is internet browsing. Means the smartphone mainly using for browsing the information, not the composing the information.
Right.
So
okay.
it means, have you ever tried the Excel spreadsheet on your fingertip on smartphone?
Oh, I have.
Yeah, it's very, very difficult.
Yes,
that's reason we have to work it out with the PC.
Okay.
So that's reason why not. Why don't we can look into smartphone, even the high-end smartphone nowadays close to $2,000.
Okay.
Back in 2016 is more than the $1,000.
Right. Sure.
So very simple. If you have money, okay, you have two choices. Are you going to buy the new decent latest phone, or brochures you have to buy the latest new ultra thin the laptop?
Okay.
A lot of people choose, okay, I want to buy the brand new smartphone.
Of course.
Right?
Of course.
Because a smartphone is a trendy product, right? But however, we need a PC, and because input is a keyboard and mouse.
Of course.
This is the most common interface, right? But now I'm looking into the opportunity connecting to smartphone, using the smartphone CPU and all other function as some computer.
Right.
And the only thing is extend the smartphone to the bigger screen, right?
Or the peripheral.
The peripheral. Okay. So that's the reason we developed one of the new product. And this year is before the last 2 years, we've been working on the premium portable monitor.
Okay.
So this is mainly for the vice versa, is looking at the laptop as well as a smartphone.
Okay.
So the last year we have the first launch the portable monitor mirroring for iOS. This is the first time that we launch in the Korean market through the leading crowdfunding platform.
Okay.
Obviously, we got a very good market feedback. and then still we got the record high.
Okay.
So
Congrats.
Yeah, thank you. And then, but this is the premium, the portable monitor. Still is a market just starting there.
Right.
But using our technology is this year in May, I had a chance to go to attend the VivaTech in Paris,
Okay.
sponsored by the GBSA.
Okay.
So at that time, I met one of the key person at the Orange Telecom, and then Orange Telecom introduced me as their African operation folks.
Okay.
So believe it or not, Orange Telecom is in Africa about 7.1 billion euro revenue.
Okay.
Out of them is about 5.4 billion euro is selling just the mobile data.
Okay.
So it means African country and then quite the huge market opportunity. Nowadays, the Korean government, a lot of the Korean companies look for the opportunity in emerging markets, especially in Africa.
Okay.
Interesting fact is total emerging market about 2.5 billion smartphone owner.
Okay.
But they still have a lack of the leveraging devices to connect using for their current smartphone.
Got it.
And the African country is an interesting fact is unlike Korea. Korea is one of the advanced country in the world.
Yep.
Even you can access the high-speed Wi-Fi in public bus.
Yeah, anywhere.
Right?
Right.
Anywhere. But Africa region, the Wi-Fi at home penetration is still very low, like less than 15%.
Okay.
At the same time, is also the PC ownership at the home also very low.
It's very low, right.
So it means the mirroring technology is people thought about it, the sending audio and video data from your smartphone to other devices on the same Wi-Fi, the network.
Okay.
So it means what if you don't have any Wi-Fi?
Right.
That is the one question. Second thing is, those emerging market is the only way connect to the internet is through the mobile phone.
Right.
But the mobile phone is the performance is quite decent. So it means using mainly for Android, not the iPhone.
Right.
So it means using your low end and the medium range of the Android phone turn into be a full workstation.
Okay.
Right? So it means could be in this day one of the very interesting topic is a digital divide.
Okay.
So how to bridge the digital divide.
Okay.
And also, a lot of the emerging countries, government heavily promoting for digital inclusion.
Okay.
So that is the main idea. And then, so since then, I've been working how our design team in Korea and some China, and then we developed the product offered into the market we call smart display. And then we have demonstrated this product in GITEX, the global in Dubai from the Arab Emirates back in October.
Okay.
Because at the time GITEX is mainly the guests from the North Africa as well as India.
Okay.
So exactly what I expected, we got a tremendous feedback from the visitor. So we are very exciting. And then more exciting news, end of October, we annually award the CES 2025 Innovation Award.
Oh, congratulations.
With this
That's
product.
Big. Right? That's wonderful.
Yeah, this is one, and then this is very exciting. And then so since then, the last 2 months, I was heavily on the road show from San Francisco, Paris, even the last week in Helsinki for Slush. I met the global investor, and then a lot of people, they might misjudge about our technology is mirroring technology.
Right. That's what I was thinking at first.
The mirroring technology has been more than, I think, 2 decades. It's quite long.
Okay.
I don't know exactly.
Okay.
But something different mirroring technology is one of the things is using without the Wi-Fi via wire, means the Type-C cable.
Right.
And then connecting to the smartphone, as well as connecting to your keyboard and mouse, mainly USB signal.
Okay.
So mirroring means, as I say, is sending audio and video data.
Right.
But the USB means the keyboard and mouse signal is coming from USB.
Right.
you have to be sending synchronized to the audio and video data. Top of that. That is one our technology.
Got it.
So it means there is a tons of the USB-A is supporting for peripheral in the market. Right. So it means we can supporting those accessories. And then the good thing is how we're going to be differentiated. We are working on to our own app. Our own app is AI-based, AI-driven, like a multilingual voice support. So this means is those area is the one of the very critical fact is I believe is a customer service. Is a technical support.
Sure.
So it means I have to be learning onto their own language. And then thanks to the AI, I creating the all type of the tech DB through the AI on their own language. Furthermore, is one of the important things is people need to be signed up to using our display. So it means naturally we can acquire the new user platform. Through the AI. Eventually, if I'm selling millions of
units.
And then we can have an additional asset for our company.
Very cool.
Yeah, this is the whole thing. I'm very happy to have some chance to have an interview thanks to the AVING. I'm more than happy to introduce myself and our team, and then going to be global. I'm very much excited right now.
That was one of the best, most thorough explanations I've got for a product. I have a few questions. I won't take too much of your time. One question being is your company name is EKLEER. Is this product, you obviously develop different products as well. You have a premium. Is this product the one you specifically talked about? Is that called EKLEER? Or do you have a certain tagline or name for it?
The reason why I set up the company name EKLEER, so far, I applied for 50 countries, the trademark to the EKLEER brand name to over the 50 countries. Out of 50, we already registered 48 major countries. How I can come up the EKLEER brand name? Because the first time is, as I say, I've been working for last 30 years for somebody's brand. The brand value could be either more to be our corporate value. So it means I have to make the brand as creating the brand name value. So that's the one. Well, that's the reason why I already registered the EKLEER brand name, because EKLEER is just the way, the French pastry is EKLEER. It's one of the favorites, is chocolate EKLEER. But we cannot say that because there is a very own known. And then because we are the display product, we have to say clear or KLEER. But unfortunately, somebody already taken. So it means I put it into the E and then EKLEER, and then luckily domain is still alive. So I take it. I take the EKLEER, but I want to be, is a more European sound. We like to starting to the accent on the top of the E.
Got it.
So that's reason EKLEER. And then, so EKLEER, in other words, is looking into the word origin is fresh of thunder. It means EKLEER chocolate pastry melt in your mouth is a fresh of thunder. You cannot forget your memory. So eventually, this brand name is going to be, I like to extend now is I'm working on the display. But it came to be more lifestyle product. So that's reason it's not like an innovate or technology. Very typical like a tech brand name. I trying to be some distance. I don't want to be take it. That's reason very natural brand name is EKLEER. So, but however, for this smart monitor is for the emerging market, because EKLEER brand name product we are selling in Korea for the premium portable display. I don't want to be any conflict. So that's reason I already set up another brand name called MOVVI, MOVVI. They already have including the trademark registration is the same number of the country I already done. So that is the way is what I try to be two different brand strategy right now.
And that's why I was asking, because I know your company name, and of course with a product targeting a different market, you know, you got to brand a little different. So this one, the product specifically, this is MOVVI.
Yeah, MOVVI.
Okay, so I understand how it's different. I mean, as I said, your explanation was so good. I don't know if I need to go in more detail about asking differentiation. Basically, the most fascinating part about it to me is everyone, of course, in some ways using AI technology, which you are, to help with service and help with translation issues and such, which is wonderful. But it seems like a lot of people are figuring out how to make things more wireless or more cableless, just cableless technology, but you brought it more back to the basics. And instead of worrying too much about pushing it too far, the technology too far in the future, you're going back to how do we help emerging markets use technology in the best way possible, addressing the digital divide. Yeah. So you found these markets, leading into my next question, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it seems like your major target markets for MOVVI right now are Africa and India and other emerging markets?
Yes, so the Southeast Asian market, especially like Indonesia.
Okay.
The Indonesia is about 15,000 island. Of course, it's a big island like Java and Sumatra. Sure. And those areas is well equipped with the broadband service. Okay. But still small island. There is no way to the broadband accessibility. The people rely on to connecting to the internet through their mobile phone. This is the perfect solution for Indonesia. Absolutely. Not only for the Indonesia, but also I'm looking for Philippines, also the Laoston Island, and also countries like Myanmar, Cambodia, and Laos, and Afghanistan and Pakistan, and those kind of new market opportunity. Not like the Vietnam or Thailand already advanced, and that is is a little bit out of focus because mainly for African country. After that, I like to get into Central America, like Honduras and those area, Costa Rica, Honduras, and then also Latin America area. Sure. That is a way because still emerging market. It's the globally a lot of population over there. Still nobody touched that. Yeah, right. So that is the way of the market. I like to get into that. Okay, so you're now using a smartphone as a PC that's going to directly connect through a cable, so you don't have to worry about lack of a Wi-Fi signal, and then it's becoming part of the peripheral. So your smartphone's your PC, you have the peripheral unit, it's easy to set up, it's easy to use. It helps with, as you said before, not just using our smartphone to look at data or look at information and content, but to actually develop and create from there. In order to get this started, you mentioned you did some crowdfunding to get this started. Did you do anything else? Is there anything else that, government funding? Did you go through any seed money services? I think so. I've been into the Pangyo facility is almost 1.5 years. So, and then through the global accelerating program, it's very changing a lot. Sure. Right? So, and then through since I was starting into the Pangyo, I just receiving a lot of Korean government supporting program, like some export voucher, and then the mainly for the major exhibition in the world. Sure. Okay? Like a CES, Vivatech, and GITEX, and also the next year, 2025, MWC also, I just got the sponsoring by the GBSA, the sponsorship. This is a huge opportunity for me, and then thanks to some government support, and then I can be more expandable, and also they can supporting like the overseas IR roadshow, like some I've been done through the San Francisco, Paris, and Helsinki. It's quite a lot of fun. Although there's some very tough schedule for last 2 months, but very exciting, the memory for me throughout the whole event. Okay, so you're an international man with a global company. This is going to bring me back to my last question. We talked about your fascinating products, your company brand, EKLEER, your product, MOVVI, the markets you're targeting being the emerging markets, having this thing that's really going to help bridge the digital divide. Let's bring it back to Korea. We're here at Pangyo Techno Valley. What are the advantages of being here in Korea working on a business? Yeah, I think the Pangyo technology is a very unique and special place to me. It's unforgettable memory because I've been, I back to Korea back in 2018 from US. And then I have to be re-immigrant
Yeah, right.
And
right.
back to the Korea about 25 years
Okay.
since I've been abroad. Right.
Wow.
And then one of my friends, and then I starting to considering for the new startup.
Uh-huh.
And then he highly recommend me to starting to set it up the Seongnam.
Okay.
And then happened to be is last year I just have a chance to get some chance to get into this program.
Mm-hmm.
This then is totally change the whole our company the strategy. Okay, it's very well organized.
Mm-hmm.
It's by the all the folks and working at the Pangyo and great facility.
Yeah.
Like you and I interview like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the very wonderful and lovely places. And then, so this is the perfect place for me, right? I wish to be, I can stay permanently, but I have to be, give you some of my chance for our next, some other guy to coming into this one.
Mm-hmm.
If someone does not have any consideration,
Mm-hmm.
I'm highly recommend to apply for the Pangyo Techno Valley.
That's wonderful. So, I mean, being international, we have so many Korean startups that start here with the aspiration of becoming a global company, but you have a global company. You are an internationally traveled and lived abroad businessman here. Everything seems to be coming full circle.
Oh. No, actually, there is my long time is a history. But now is I just have the certain kind of startup entrepreneur, right? Just like a young folks. But I'm more than happy to every day I keep breathing each other and then understanding each other. I was trying to catch up to what they're thinking, what's the new technology. This is the perfect. Right.
Matthew, this was a wonderful interview.
No, it's my pleasure.
It's such a pleasure meeting you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
I'm Jay at Pangyo Techno Valley for a fascinating interview with the founder and the CEO and founder of EKLEER, Matthew Chung, talking about his new product, MOVVI. Check out how we can help emerging markets become more digitally connected. Bridging the digital divide is what this is all about. Thank you again. I'm Jay here at Pangyo Techno Valley.
Thank you.